Say it with me. Aloha. Aloha. So, of course, many of you already know, but I'll explain what aloha is. Aloha means hello, goodbye, and also I love you, or to express admiration for someone. We use that every single day in Hawaii. So, if you want to say hello to someone, or goodbye, or just general salutations to someone, you would say aloha. So, that's our first word. Second thing that I wanted to teach you really quick is the Hawaiian alphabet. So, Hawaiian alphabet, we have 5 vowels or voela in our Hawaiian language, and those voela or vowels are a, e, o, and u. So say it with me. A, e, o, u. It's the same vowel symbols that are used on the vowels of the English alphabet, A-E-I-O-U. We just pronounce it differently here in Hawaii, but the symbols are the same, and the number of characters are the same. So, again, we're going to pronounce the vowels or the voela. So, repeat after me. E ho'opili mai. A, e, o, u. One more time. A, e, o, u. You got it. So, your ha'awina or your homework for this week is to practice those 5 voila and memorize it so that in the next lesson we can move on and learn more Hawaiian alphabet. And hopefully later on we can use an easier way to remember the alphabet. But for now, just practice those 5 vowels. A, e, o, u. So, to recap what we learned today we learned how to say hello, goodbye, and I love you. Do you remember the word that we learned today, our first Hawaiian word? Right. Aloha. 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 Aloha, 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 with me one more time before we go. It goes ah, e, o, u. One more time for good luck. Ah, e, o, and oo. Alright, that's it for our first Hawaiian language lesson. I hope you enjoyed this class. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. I'd be more than happy to help you out with any Hawaiian language questions or concerns. With that, I guess we can end the class. My name is Kumu ASMR Hawaiian, and I'll be your Hawaiian language teacher for this channel, I guess. And I guess I hope you like these lessons.